إذا وقعت الواقعة ليس لوقعتها كاذبة رافعة إذا رجت الأرض رجا وبست الجبال بسا فكانت هباء منبثا وكنتم أزواجا ثلاثة فأصحاب الميمنة ما أصحاب الميمنة وأصحاب المشأمة ما أصحاب المشأمة والسابقون السابقون أولئك المقربون في جنات النعيم ثلة من الأولين وقليل من الآخرين على سرر موضونة متكئين عليها متقابلين يطوف عليهم ولدان مخلدون بأكواب وأباريق وكأس من معين لا يصدعون عنها ولا ينزفون وفاكهة مما يتخيرون ولحم طير مما يشتهون وحور عين كأمثال اللؤلؤ المكنون جزاء بما كانوا يعملون صدق الله العظيم وشهد محبت जहाँ मुस्तफा है वही घर बनाने को दिल चाहता है वो शहर मुहब्बत जहाँ मुस्तफा है वही घर बनाने को दिल चाहता है वो सोने से कम गए वो चांदी से मोती नजर में बसाने को दिल चाहता है जिहादे मोहब्बत की आवाज़ गूंजी कहाँ जलाने दुल्हन से अपनी इजाजत दे दो तो जाने शहादत लबों से लगाने को दिल चाहता है वो शहर जहाँ मुस्तफा है वही घर बनाने Assalamu alaikum. Myself Anam Sabah of grade 1. My topic is traffic signal model. Traffic signal are like traffic codes that tell cars and people when to go and when to stop. Traffic signal are mainly based on the three colors lights. There are red, yellow and green. Red says stop, yellow says get ready, green says go. Thank you.
Very good. Mashallah, very nice. Now, you are feeling?
Assalamu alaikum. Myself Hana Fatima.
Mashallah.
Myself Hana Fatima. Opposite words. Opposites are pair of words that have different meaning. Opposite word. Example: young, old, hot, cold. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Ikhana.
नाश्ता करे नहीं करे निकला उठ
My name is Ikhana. I am studying class 1. My topic is different types of plants. Plants are very important. Apple tree, banana tree, jackfruit tree, coconut tree, mango tree, orange tree. Jazakallah.
रैंडमली पिक कर दी बात करनी मैं ओके
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Myself is Shifa Khanam. I am studying class 1. My topic is bus stand. The place in a town or city where buses often leave is called bus stand. Bus stand in Chennai is called bus stand. Wild animals and domestic animals. Wild animals. The animals that live in a forest. Wild animals. Example: tiger, lion, elephant. Domestic animals. The animals that live in our houses are called domestic animals. Example: cow, dog, cat, hen, sheep, etc. Thank you.
Place here. Where are they placed here? Domestic animal. Cow. Where is cow? Where is cow? Okay. Hen. Chick. Hen. Okay.
और
Very nice. Very nice.
वालेकुम सलाम
Walaikum salam.
मैं कहती हूँ सुगे
Assalamu alaikum. Myself Alia Fatima of grade 1. My topic name is uses of computer. A computer is very useful machine.
Don't put your hand like this. Leave your hand. Leave your hand.
Assalamu alaikum. Good morning. Myself Atika of class 1. My topic name is parts of computer. Computer is an electronic machine and it runs on electricity. Computers are different from other machines. Then parts of computer: monitor, keyboard, mouse, CPU. Thank you.
माशा वेरी गुड वेरी नाइस
What is this? Explain. Again, leave your hands. Don't explain so anything.
To wear cotton clothes. We like to have watermelon juice and ice cream, and we also like to wear caps and sunglasses. In rainy season, the days are wet. We use an umbrella or a raincoat to protect ourselves from rain. In monsoon season is a season where the flowers bloom. It is
Rainy season. Where is you are standing in summer season? Which part is rainy season? Show me here. You have 4 places. Which is this one?
In rainy season,
This is rainy season.
in rainy season the days are wet. We use an umbrella or a raincoat to protect ourselves from rain. In monsoon season is a season where dust flowers bloom.
All right. Mashallah.
Very nice, very nice. सीधा बैठो.
ಆಂಟಿಗಳು ಯಾರು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ?
My topic is railway station. Assalamualaikum. Myself Muhammad Shahzin. Assalamualaikum. Myself Muhammad Shahzin. My topic is railway station. Railway station is a public place. Trains are used to travel. Passengers should buy tickets before traveling. Thank you.
Thank you. ಪ್ರಣಾಂಕಿಗಳು ಯಾರು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಇದು?
Say louder, say louder.
Assalamualaikum. Assalamualaikum. I am name is Sada Misha Hadri. Kannada ಅಂಕಗಳು 1 2 3 4 5 6 5 6 7 8 9 10.
Very good. Endorsable.
Oh, what is that?
Very good.
Assalamualaikum. Good morning. My name is Alisa Fatima of class 1. Drop of the blood. There are inside all human beings and animals. Human body consists 7% of meat. Thank you.
Oh, very good. एक ग्लैंस लेकर आ जाओ. वहाँ यार इसमें होल्ड कर लेंगे. What about pomegranate?
Assalamualaikum. My name is Saskin Fatima. I am studying in class LKG. I am going to talk about pomegranate. Pomegranate is red color.
Red in color. Very good. Similar mirrors?
Speak.
Tell. Which vegetable? Which vegetable is?
Follow it. Yeah. Okay, explain them what it is.
Speak up.
Sit down.
I am from. My name's Asra Kaushal. I am from LKG. Today I am going to talk about strawberry. Strawberry is a fruit summer season.
National flag. Somebody want to say about national flag? Gobi manchuri. Cauliflower. Want to say? Say something about your carrot. Carrot is sweet.
Come on,
Sweet.
say why?
Okay.
Young one, say.
Assalamualaikum. Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Fatima Zahra. I am from LKG. Pineapple is the fruit. Pineapple is the tropical plant. Pineapple has sweet juicy fruit. The smell of pineapple very sweet. Its shape is oval.
To say? Oh. Yeah, well.
This is a car. That is a car. This is a tree. That is a tree.
Very good.
The power of a military rocket launcher is being designed from the factors such as range, accuracy, payload capacity, and the type of launcher it has to be launched. These are being used in the battlefield and in the military places.
You have to show us. So demo is there. Louder.
Assalamu alaikum. I am Mamunisa from grade 10. She is Safura Sheikh. So my model is hydraulic track. This model is works on the principles of Pascal's law, which states that the pressure at the bottom of the container is equal to the top of the container. So when cars wants to pass, it will go up like this. With the push of a button, the track will go at the desired height. So hydraulically, it controls the track. Like this.
These type of bridges you find in any part of the...
Yeah, in international airports and also in Bangalore highways and all, we will get like this type of roads, but a hydraulic type, this type of buttons. Jazakallah.
The concept is hydraulics. It's hydraulic.
In checkboards and all.
Recording the video. ये उनको action है उसका. पकड़ सकते नहीं हो. You hold it.
Even she
Assalamu alaikum. Myself Hajira Khanam. Myself Sufia Sharif. We are from grade 10 and our project name is Hydraulic London Tower Bridge. Hydraulic Tower Bridge is hydraulic system work based on the principle of Pascal's law. It states that when a pressure is applied in a fluid, it is transmitted in all the equal directions. Let's see its process.
pull the
When it falls coming, it gives a signal and the road will lift up. And the ship will pass away. Again the bridge road will come to its same position.
The bridge is more visible in India.
In London.
India is also there.
Do you have any bridge as such in India?
No.
No idea.
Hooghly River, Calcutta. You just go and cross it, right? You have this river.
Jazakallah.
say Jazakallah.
That's it.
Jazakallah.
Assalamu alaikum. Myself Naisha Khatun. I am from grade 10. My project is water cycle. Water cycle is all about how water moves around the earth. It's like a big cycle. Which keep repeating by itself. First, sun absorbs the heat by river. Then the water vapor form. It's moved to cloud. Then it rains. Thank you. Jazakallah.
Assalamu alaikum. Myself Yasmin Khatun from grade 10. This is water harvesting. So, water harvesting are very important because whenever it's insufficiency of water, we need to use water. So, from rain the water will come. Sir.
Very good.
We collect the water from in the rooftop of the different earthen houses. Then this water we are collecting on pipe from here. From this pipe it will filter and collecting the well. So for conservation of water, we can use this water for the living.
Myself Tahiyatur Rahman. This is series and parallel project. In the series, one will connect a child.
Exhaust fan is sucking the air out from and it when the smoke is in it provides out in the out. It is mainly used in bathrooms, kitchens, etc. And it helps to smoke. It can produce heat out from inside to out. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum. Myself Sumaya and
Myself Misbah Khanam.
It is a hydraulic model like JCP. The hydraulic means that the hydraulic part means this is
Show practically at least. हाँ, पकड़ना पड़ता उनको नहीं पता उनके दो हाथ अभी एक ही
Yeah. While doing, you can speak a little bit about the concept of.
Sir, it can dig deep. This system helps deep. This made by Joseph Cyril Bomford. This is arm and this is bone. This is bucket.
Oh, the JCP stands for the person who has
Made by
designed
Joseph
this.
Cyril
What is his
Bomford.
name? Can you repeat the name?
Joseph Cyril Bomford.
Very good. I was not knowing. That's why.
Joseph Cyril Bomford.
Little bit louder.
Joseph Cyril Bomford.
Very good. We got one lesson here today.
This
We
is
thought that is the name of the.
It is a hydraulic model. Hydraulic, it moves from water pressure, sir.
So three hydraulic sections are there. Huh?
4 movements, right? 4 movements.
Okay. Hydraulic means what is the source? of energy.
Move from water pressure.
Yes, you are using water as a source.
Myself Anjum Khanum. Myself Lubna Fatima. Our project is the human heart. The human heart is a muscular organ that pumps the blood throughout the body.
Louder, louder. See, so many visitors are there. What are you doing? No
Little
sound
bit.
at all.
Come on.
The heart is a muscular organ that pumps the blood throughout the body. It is comprised of four chambers: right atrium and the left ventricle.
Explain.
Right atrium and the right ventricle, left atrium and the left ventricle. The heart also has superior vena cava and inferior vena cava that supplies the deoxygenated blood, that carries the deoxygenated blood and supplies to the right atrium. Then the right atrium contracts and passes deoxygenated blood to the right ventricle. Then the right ventricle contracts and passes the deoxygenated blood to the two pulmonaries. Then the arteries pumps the blood into the lungs where the blood becomes oxygenated, and then it passes to the aorta. Then aorta gives rise to the arteries where the blood passes to all regions of the body.
Where are the arteries here? Which are the arteries? The pipes what you have shown. Good.
Assalamualaikum. Myself Rabia Kausar.
Myself Vidya Harun.
My model is nervous system. The nervous system includes brain, spinal cord, and the complex network of nerves. These nerves send messages back and forth between the body and the brain. The brain is what controls the body functions. The billions of nerves work together to communicate network. This is how it works. Jazakallah.
Which is the controlling system of the nervous system?
Brain.
Very good.
Assalamu alaikum. Myself Bibi Zainab.
Myself Amina Hussain. We are from grade 10.
Our topic is lungs. Lungs are two big and soft bags present in our chest. It helps us in breathing. When we breathe in, air goes into our lungs. Inside the lungs there are tiny air sacs called alveoli. The oxygen is very important to our body because it gives us energy.
So well explained. Where to? Yeah.
It gives us energy.
So you are flowing. Very good.
When we inhale, the lungs will extract. When we exhale, the lungs will be relaxed. It is spongy and it will cover with lips.
What is the main purpose? What is the main purpose of lungs?
It helps us in breathing.
Breathing. And how it is get connected with the something to do with the circulation? उमर भाई मैं बच्चों को पकड़ ले रहा ये तो हुआ
ये दिखा दो
Assalamualaikum. Myself Madihanas.
Assalamualaikum. Myself Masira.
Our project is fetal development. When a sperm fused with egg, it forms zygote. This process is known as fertilization. The zygote further divides mitotically into two cell stages.
Of course, during germinal stage, the fertilized egg undergoes rapid cell division and travels to the fallopian tube to the uterus. It then implants itself to the uterine lining.
In the embryonic stage, when last about week 3 to week 8, the major organ and body system, the heart starts beating and the brain, spinal cord and the limbs start developing. By the end of this stage, the embryo starts look like a tiny human.
The fetal begins around week 9 and continues until the birth. During this stage, the organ continues to mature and develop. The fetus grows in size. It moves and can respond by the touch. By the end of the pregnancy, the fetus is fully formed and ready to enter the world. Thank you.
From your junior teacher, you please find out in this chapter of Quran which has been explained by Allah. Okay? You know, I will have to find out. Okay.
Myself is
artificial human elementary canal. And this
Yes.
human digestive system.
Yeah.
Human digestive system comprises the human alimentary canal and various digestive glands like mouth, stomach, shrimp, and all. The mouth. The food enters from mouth and it goes to. The food enters from mouth and goes to esophagus. Then it enters to stomach. In stomach, the food will be break down into pieces from the stomach acid. Then it goes to small intestine here. Then it will be enzymes will be break down into pieces. It will be absorbed by bloodstream. Then this will go to enters to the large intestine, and here the water will be absorbed, and the wastage will go from anus.
Masha. Very nice. Which classes have participated in this class? Very nice, very nice. Very good models, working models. Mashallah. Good concept understanding. Mashallah.
Classes are there.
Myself, Sairajveya of grade 8. My topic is about wonders of the world. Let me introduce you. The Taj Mahal, Machu Picchu, the Great Pyramid of Giza, Petra, the Roman Colosseum, Christ, the remainder of statue, the Great Wall of China. Thank you.
It's where we live.
Good morning, everyone. Myself, Raiba Mariam of grade 6. My topic is solar system. There are 8 planets in our solar system: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Mercury is the coldest, closest planet to the sun. Venus is the hottest and brightest planet. Earth is a living planet. Mars is also called as red planet. Jupiter is the biggest planet. Saturn is called as ring planet. Uranus and Neptune are the coldest planet. Thank you.
And there, you can find the tallest mountains in the solar system. Also, Martians are here. No, I'm kidding.
Myself, Vivi
Assalamu alaikum everyone. Myself Bibi Fatima of class 10. Today we are going to know about Chandrayaan 3. Chandrayaan 3 is the Indian third moon mission conducted by ISRO. India launched Chandrayaan 3 at 2:35 p.m. on 14 July from Satish Dhawan Space Center in Sriharriprakash.
Only three countries, United States and China, have successfully soft landed on the moon. Now India has become the fourth country and made a new historical space land.
The vision commitment of the Indian is both of television. The whole world people are seeing in smartphones and television. The Chandrayaan 3 cost.
Myself Suhana Fatima.
Assalamualaikum. Myself Mehwish Khanum. This is a biomass plant. It is an organic waste such as food scraps, agriculture residue, or organic manure which is composed and in an anaerobic digester. Inside the anaerobic digester, microorganisms break down the matter in the absence of oxygen to compose methane and carbon dioxide.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Sayeda Umar Sulaim. I am studying class. My school name is Asra Girls School. Herbivorous animals. Animals which eat plants and other products are called herbivorous animals.
MashaAllah, very good. और क्या? सब बोलेंगे ना?
Cancer is a large group of disease that occurs when abnormal cells divide rapidly and can spread to each other. And these can spread to other tissues and organs. These rapidly growing cells may also cause tumor, so they can also disturb your daily body functions.
Spreading of cancer. When cancer spread, it is called metastasis. In metastasis, cancer cells break away from where they were first formed, travel through blood and lymph system, and form a new tumor in other parts of the body. Cancer can spread anywhere in your body, but it commonly moves into your lungs, liver, and bones.
So as you can see, this is the first stage of cancer where only one cell has been affected by cancer. And this is the second stage of cancer where 5 to 6 cells have been affected by cancer.
And this is the third stage of cancer where almost cells have been affected by the cancer. And this is the fourth stage of cancer where all cells have been affected by the cancer and it has spread in tissues.
So types of cancer, this is lung cancer, liver cancer and pancreatic cancer. So as you can see, this is the healthy lung and this is the unhealthy lung which is affected by cancer. Symptoms of these lungs cancer are headache, chest pain, bone pain. So imagine this is this cotton balls are your lungs. So the smoke coming from this cigarette can affect your lungs and damage it.
This is a healthy liver, and this is a liver affected by cancer. Symptoms of liver cancer is losing weight without trying, loss of appetite, upper abdominal pain. This is pancreatic cancer, healthy pancreas, and the pancreas affected by cancer. Symptoms of pancreatic cancer are itching, weight loss, loss of appetite.
Causes of cancer. Increase excess of alcohol, tobacco, cigarette may cause in cancer. Genes. If the cancer is common in family, it is possible that the genes will get passed from one generation to the next generation. Unhealthy diet includes starchy food, example, bread, maida, pizza-based. Soft drinks, example, Red Bull, Pepsi, Coca-Cola, may also cause in cancer. Lack of exercise. If a person is following unhealthy lifestyle, it is lack of exercise, lack of yoga, lack of meditation. The person may even become obese. This may result in cancer. Exposure to harmful chemicals and air pollution. If a person inhales chemical air which is produced from the factories and industries, it may also result in cancer. Exposure to UV radiation. If a person takes more UV radiation, it may also cause in cancer.
So that was causes of cancer. Now we'll learn about cure for cancer. Increase physical activity. You need to follow healthy diet and healthy lifestyle. We should do exercise for at least half an hour, meditate and yoga. Avoid extreme UV radiation. We need to be safe from harmful gases. Healthy diet. We need to follow healthy diet. Increase intake of antioxidant rich food like banana, berry, corn, eggs, green leafy vegetables and fruits. Avoid the use of alcohol, cigarette, drugs and tobacco. If the cancer is common in family, it is possible that the genes will get passed from one generation to another generation. So the person should take blood test once in a year. Thank you.
Myself Sayyida Ruqayya and me Sayyida Safia from grade 8, and our model is about components of blood. Blood is a body fluid substance that delivers necessary substance such as nutrients and oxygen to the cell. There are 4 components of blood: red blood cells, white blood cells, platelets and plasma. RBC, red blood cells that delivers oxygen to the body tissues, white blood cells that defends your body from infections and diseases. And there are 5 types of white blood cells, namely neutrophils, eosinophils, lymphocytes, basophils and monocytes. Basophils that defends your body from allergens, pathogens and parasites. Neutrophils that help heal damaged tissues and resolve infections. Monocytes that destroy germs and eliminate infected cells. Eosinophils are the component responsible for combating multicellular parasites. Lymphocytes which help your body fight diseases and infections. These are the platelets. Platelets are small colorless fragments in our blood that forms clot and stop or prevent bleeding. Plasma is a jelly-like substance and it is necessary to help your body recover injury, remove waste, distribute nutrients and prevent infections. Thank you.
Good morning. Myself Aimu.
And I Asra.
And we are from grade 8. Our model is about hemodialysis. Hemodialysis stands for 2 words. Hemo means blood and dialysis means filtration. In simple words, filtration of blood.
Kidney. The kidney are 2 bean-shaped organs, each about the size of your fist. They are located just below the ribcage, one on each side of your spine. If the kidney are not functioning properly, waste starts accumulating in the blood, which cause coma and even death. To cure this patient is subjected to dialysis. Hemodialysis is also known as artificial kidney. An artificial kidney is a device which removes nitrogenous waste from the blood through the process called dialysis.
Artificial kidney contains number of tubes with a semi-permeable lining suspended in a tank filled with dialysis fluid. This fluid has same osmotic pressure as blood. One line connected to the artery is connected to the other end of the dialysis fluid, where the blood is collected from the patient for filtration. During this process, the waste products from the blood is passed by the fluid by diffusion, and purified blood is pumped back into the vein of the patient.
This is similar to the function of kidney, but it is different since there is no reabsorption involved.
As you can see here in the picture where the patient is subjected to dialysis.
This is usually carried out 3 days a week. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum. Myself Hamza Fatima and my partner name is Dania Madni. This is absent. And we are from grade 8. This is an eye working model and parts of eye. Now I will explain the process how the eye works and parts of eye. This is eye. Eye. It is one of the most valuable sensitive sense organ in our body. It enables us to see the beautiful and colorful world around us. This is parts of eye. The first part is named as sclera. It is a tough white protective layer which covers the outer part of an eyeball and maintains its spherical shape. As you can see, it is in pink color and it's maintaining its spherical shape, and it is a protective layer to the inner layers. This part is known as cornea. It is a transparent protective thin membrane which covers the outer part of an eyeball. As you can see, it is in white in color and it covers 1/6 of the front portion of eyeball. This part is known as iris. It is a dark circular diaphragm which controls the amount of light entering into the eye. Example, in low light condition, the pupil expands. In good light condition, this is known as pupil. It is a small opening at the center of iris. This is eye lens. It is a transparent bioconvex lens in our eye. It helps to see focus object placed at different distance. This is retina. It is a delicate membrane where the light entering the eye and forms real and inverted image. It consists 1 million of cells called rods and cones, and which receive the light, and has 1 million of optic nerve fibers through which the information is transmitted to the brain. This is optic nerves. It carry nerve impulses to the brain. When the ray of light enters the pupil and falls on eye lens, the image is formed in retina. It's real or inverted. The image is transmitted to the brain through optic nerves. It gives rise to the sensation of vision so that you can see easily. Jazakallahu khair.
Of 50 rocks and minerals. There are different types of rocks and minerals. A rock is an aggregate of one or more types of minerals. Rock do not have a unique crystal structure and may be formed from a variety of minerals. Individual properties are made up of minerals. Example, granite is an endogenous rock. Marble is the metamorphic rock. China clay, it is a minerals. Jazakallah.
Assalamu alaikum. Myself Fatima Sunni. We are from grade 8. Our topic is about metals and non-metals reacting with electricity. Now let us come to metals. Metals are a group of elements which conduct heat and electricity. Metals are malleable. Metals have shiny appearance and they are malleable. Example, if I take an iron nail and beat it with a hammer, it can be bended easily. And they are ductile in nature. They can be easily drawn into the wires. Now let us test the metal with whether it is conducting electricity. As you can see, the bulb is glowing. It is due to the unique nature of the atomic structure and body. The arrangement of atoms in metals allows the electrons to move freely. The arrangement of atoms are in a crystal lattice. This is a crystal lattice and these are the atoms arranged in it. It is used to help the electrons to move freely and to share the electrons to connect through the electricity. This is a pencil, but it is a non-metal. But the lid is a craft. As you can see, the bulb is glowing. Even if I take an iron nail, the bulb is glowing. So we can say that these are metals. It is a gold ring. Even this is a silver ring. This is non-metals.
Now let us talk about non-metals. Non-metals are poor conductor of heat and electricity. Non-metals are often soft and can break easily. Non-metals are dull in appearance. Non-metals are malleable and non-ductile. Now let us test if non-metals conduct electricity. As you can see, the bulb does not glow. It is because the lack of electron that can move through electric current. Unlike metals can move freely, whereas non-metals does not allow electrons to move freely. Whereas non-metals cannot move freely, are tightly bound together, and does not allow electricity to pass,
Making them poor conductors of heat and electricity. Therefore, metals are good conductors of heat and electricity, whereas non-metals are bad conductors of heat and electricity. Thank you.
Before the more damaging shaking arrives, allows individual emergency businesses services to take protective action. Allows individual businesses services to take protective action such as dropping to the ground and taking cover or holding indicative evacuation procedure. Helps prevents accident and injuries during critical activities such as heavy machinery. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. MashaAllah, Alhamdulillah, we saw the science exhibition from conducted by Asra Girls School. MashaAllah, it was very nice. And we, on behalf of Masjid One Movement, we are both, all type of people are there, technical and non-technical, every type of people are here. Alhamdulillah, it was very nice. Students, they did perform very well. The language was very nice to introduce the concepts, and even the implementations were very nicely done. MashaAllah, I further hand over to Mr. Nazrullah Sharif.
Alhamdulillah, Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. This was a very nice exhibition. I've been to many exhibitions. I'm very impressed the way the student presented this live models. Amazing, and very impressed. And I'm very thankful to Alim Bhai, who is running this school, and very impressive. Thanks a lot.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi. Really, it's a very nice exhibition. I saw, as he told, we see all the exhibitions of the schools. I saw in St. Joseph School also. But this type of in a small rooms, they have made a good effort. How the live models are really is beautiful.
MashaAllah, it's very nice. It's in such a young age, the children are doing tremendous job. The small model is very nice. I really appreciate all teachers and school management who have conduct this exhibition. Okay, we should conduct more kind of this exhibition to appreciate and inspire our children. Thank you very much.
I forgot to mention the English of the students is really impressive. So the language and the credit should go to the staff. Yes. And I was not expecting this, to be honest with you. So
he's a green card holder.
Alhamdulillah, this is I cannot imagine this. They are doing this in this school. So Alhamdulillah, this needs to be motivated, and we need to lend our support in whatever way possible to this school, inshallah.
And especially 8th grade was really energetic.
हमारी MOM की टीम का मैं बहुत शुक्रगुजार हूँ. हालांकि बहुत सोच समझकर कि इस इवेंट के लिए किन को मदऊ किया जाए, जिनके अंदर इन चीज़ों का सही तरीके से इल्म भी हो, फ़हम भी हो, और इस निज़ाम को एक अप्रिसिएशन मिल सके, इसके लिए मेरे दिल ने ये कहा कि द बेस्ट टीम फॉर एज अवर गेस्ट इज द MOM टीम जैसा, और बहुत सारे, और दे आर, एंड फॉर योर इंफॉर्मेशन माय स्टूडेंट्स, this team is rendering so many services in many aspects. It is very incredible. I cannot say, I have no words to explain what exactly they are doing in their life. We should get inspired of these teams really who are doing something for community, and they have zeal to do something for community. At the same time, you are requested to have some ambition in your life, that yes, you are not for yourself, but we have to live for everyone, for all. This what you can say, zeal will take you high, inshallah. And one more idiom by Dr. Abdul Kalam: ख्वाब वो नहीं जो आदमी सोकर देखता है, ख्वाब वो है जो आदमी को सोने ना दे. You do keep this.
كثيرا كثيرا